Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a resume for students. Okay, in this video you will get some simple tips for write a resume. Okay, so I am requesting you please watch the video till end. So first of all you have to know why is a resume is important. Okay, in today's job market the resume has become the number one requirement potential employers request. A resume is an important tool for your job search because it is offer a page or two page where you can display your top skills and qualities. However, a resume is much more than that. Resume helps employer make hiring decision and help you get your first interview. Okay, that's why it's matter how to structure your resume and write information you decide to include. In this video you will learn how to write a resume for freshers. Okay, now I am going to show you how you can make a resume practically. Okay, for create a resume, here I will use Microsoft Word. Okay, so firstly I am going to open a Microsoft Word blank page. So go to the start option and go to Word, then open it. Now create a new document. So this is a blank document in MS Word. Now first just type resume at the top of the page. RASUME. Okay. Keep it middle of the page. Okay. Remove the page. Okay. Now here please type your name. Okay. Here I am writing a name that is Sujata. Sujata Chetri. Now press enter and here please type your mobile number and email ID. Mobile number and email ID. Email ID. Now do one thing, please remove the page between two line. Okay, just select it and click here and click this option remove page. Okay, after paragraph do one thing, line page just one. Okay, now keep size 16. Okay, you can keep size as per your choice, no issue. Okay, now I am making my text in bold. Okay, so type here mobile number, please type here your own mobile number. Okay, and please type your mobile number. Okay, sorry, now type here your email ID. Okay, now you can do one thing, keep your name in bold font and rest text remove bold. Okay, okay, now select the text and decrease the font size. Okay, just click here. Okay, now in the right side insert a passport size photo. So for insert a passport size photo, click on this insert option and you can directly insert your picture from your device. Okay, you can see using this process you can be face some problem. Okay, now do one thing, go to insert option and click here, that is text box. I am suggesting you delete all the text from the text box. Okay, now you can do one thing, just move it from here. Okay, and shift it to the right side of the file. Okay, now please paste here the image, just copy the image from your system and paste it here. Okay, now you can see your image is on the right side of the page. Okay, now type here career objective. Okay, so firstly you write here some information about you, that is your name, your mobile number and your email id. So why you write here this thing, because if you select it for a job in any company, then through your resume they can contact to you. Now career objective, so you can write here what is your career objective. Okay, this font will be Times New Roman font. Okay, okay, next, educational background. The size and design of career objective and educational background will be same. Okay, now insert a table here. Okay, here I am inserting 5 foot table. Okay, and type here some information like this. Okay, in type your examination name. Okay, specialization board or university, year of passing and percent. I am requesting you, please fill this table with your own data and it must be correct. Okay, सबसे पहले रिज्यूम में करियर ऑब्जेक्टिव के बारे में मेंशन किया, देन एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड. ओके, नाउ टाइप हियर professional experience. Okay, so student, if you have any experience then please mention it here. Okay, and if you are a freshers then just type here freshers. Okay, freshers. Okay, and just select the text. Okay, I just decrease the font size. Okay, now type here about your achievements. Okay, okay, student, what will be achievement? So achievement में क्या लिखना है? Suppose if you have a personal blog, then you can write here my personal blog is this. Okay, you have a YouTube channel. Okay, then you can mention it here. If you have any certificate regarding this, then you can mention it. Okay, so achievements means which you achieve in your career. Okay, just type it here. Okay, now next, now type here summary of project and training. Okay, and just copy the format of this achievement and just paste it here. Okay, now you please mention here about your project. Okay, which you have done in your school or college. Okay, for example, class 12, class 12 main project. Okay, now type here about your class 12 project. Okay, now just mention here title of the project. Okay, duration of the project, software or tools used. Okay, software or tools used. Okay, and supervisor name. Okay, now if you have done any project in your college, then you can mention it here. Okay, be a main project. Okay, now type here the project title. Okay, duration, software or tool used. Okay, and supervisor. Okay, now type here technical proficiency. Okay, now do one thing, use the same style. Okay, for this also. So student, if you have any technical knowledge, then you can type it here. Okay, like just copy the table and paste here. Okay, so erase it, delete cell, enter row. Now type here language. Now type here operating system. Now type here skills. 9. Now type here computer language. ओके, अभी इस फील्ड में कुछ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का नाम लिखो जिसके साथ तुम फेमिलियर हो. ओके, लाइक विंडोज 10, लाइक विंडोज 8.1 and Android. Okay, etc, etc. Okay, so skills. So student, I know all of you have knowledge about MS Office, and inside bracket you can type MS Word, comma, MS Excel, comma, MS Power Point. Okay, just close it. Okay, now computer language. Okay, if you know any computer language, then please type it here, like C, C++, Java, etc. Okay, now if you don't have any idea regarding computer language, then just do one thing, click here, delete cell, choose the delete enter row. Okay, now delete it. Next, Type here parts. Now type here personal details. So in this section, please type these details like your name, date of birth, father's names, hobbies, marital status, present address, permanent address, passport, etc. Okay. Now type a declaration. Okay. Just copy this format and paste it here. Okay. In declaration section, you can write. Okay. Just write here. I hereby declare that above mentioned information is correct up to my knowledge, and I bear the responsibility for the above mentioned particulars. Okay. Now do one thing, just type here. Now एकदम लास्ट में तुम्हें प्लेस के बारे में लिखना होगा, ठीक है, मतलब तुम कहाँ से ये रिज्यूम सेंड कर रहे हो, ठीक है, देन यू कैन टाइप योर डेट. ओके. नाउ please type the place and date, and after print out just signature here. Okay, above this signature option. Okay. So student, ये था रिज्यूम के बारे में. ओके. तुम लोग चाहे तो इसे थोड़ा सा अपना ख्याल से भी डिजाइन कर सकते हो. ओके. ये एक बेसिक फॉर्मेट है, ठीक है, तुम लोग चाहे तो इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. इसमें और भी कुछ जोड़ना है देन तुम जोड़ सकते हो, ठीक है. सो ये एकदम बेसिक है, ठीक है. ये स्टूडेंट, ये एकदम बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन है, ठीक है. तुम लोग चाहे तो अपना रिज्यूम में और भी कुछ ऐड कर सकते हो, ठीक है, लेकिन वो सब कुछ सही होना पड़ेगा. ओके. ओके. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट रिज्यूम. ओके.